Hi, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm going to show you how to make orgeat. So this particular recipe is actually, it's more of a hack than an orgeat recipe. It's something for people at home to make really quickly and easily. You don't have to steep, soak, roast, and strain your almonds. Obviously there's different methods on how you make orgeat, but this particular one is using almond milk. So it's actually originally from Jamie Boudreau, and I thought it'd be nice and easy to show you a hack so you can make up some quick orgeat for your tiki drinks. Start by measuring 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Make sure you get a good quality almond milk and then add it to your pot. Fire up the stovetop. Then add 2 cups of sugar. Keep stirring until the sugar dissolves and the almond milk starts to boil. Pour your mixture into a heat-proof jug. Add 1 tablespoon of almond extract, which is the equivalent of 3 teaspoons. This will enhance the almond flavour, and half a teaspoon of orange blossom water. Finish it with 1/6 of a cup of brandy. If you prefer, you can use a neutral spirit or a rum. Give it a stir to combine the ingredients. Then pour it into your sterilised jar or bottle. So there you have a DIY orgeat. It is different to the typical and more traditional method of making orgeat. Normally you have to steep it. It's a longer process to extract that flavour. But using this method, you're going to have the almond milk and the extract, which is going to bolster the almond flavour. That's going to work really well in your Mai Tais and your tropical and tiki drinks. So make sure you like and subscribe. My next video is going to be grenadine, and I'll link to that video up here or at the end of the video. But thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers. That's hot.